Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your iMessage profile picture. Okay, if this is your first time, I'm going to show you how to set it up as well. So first up, go ahead and open up your iMessage or the messaging app. And once done, at the top left, you have edit. So you can just go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on set up name and photo. So tap on it. After once done, there will be a small prompt. So just go ahead and tap on edit or continue. And then in here, just go ahead and go to edit or the edit button. There you go. So first up, we are going to customize this one. Customize, tap on contact photo. Now go ahead and use your Photos app or use an emoji or even use your camera. Okay, so I'm just going to use an emoji right here, maybe this one. And then I'm going to tap on next. You can go to style and change the background color if you want to. Hit on next. So in the next step, it will go ahead and ask you to choose a poster. You could use a photo as well, your camera, or even a monogram if you just want to. Let's say I'm just going to use photos. I'm just going to go ahead and use this photo right here. And then I'm going to tap on done. You can crop it if you want to. Okay. I'm just going to tap on done. And here's how it looks like. So if you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on continue. And then just wait for it to load. All right. There you have it. So you have here name and photo sharing. You'll have to toggle this on so that this one will be enabled, not just an emoji. So enable it, change the name right here if you want to. Tap on done once you're okay with it. And then you can go ahead and share it automatically to your contacts only or always ask. Okay. So once that's done, hit on the done button at the very top. And then after that, you are good to go. That's how simple it is to change your iMessage profile picture. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.